Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin. Still taking a look into the charts, and everybody has heard by now, but Elon Musk caused a Bitcoin dump. Thank you, Elon. Not really. We're better off without you, you know. F that. So yeah, he's not like you guys know it already, right? At the same moment, JP Morgan on why Ethereum BTC from an energy-intensive proof-of-work validation mechanism to a much less intensive proof-of-stake validation mechanism. So that is very bullish for Bitcoin, Ethereum. And yeah, that is about it. Ethereum is on the move, you know. It is on its bull market, like the real one. Flippening will get caused, you know, by the tweet of Elon. Because he's, you know, like, he is complaining about the energy usage. Bybit is offering some more pairs. If you want to trade on Bybit, which is my favorite exchange, use this sign up link. You help me and you help yourself. You get something extra in the rewards. Sign up link is in the video description as well. And that is about that for news. Yeah, during the crash yesterday, BitMEX went down again, as in March 2020. Luckily this time, BitMEX doesn't have that much customers left anymore. Everybody after that date, you know, 2020 in March, you know, everybody left BitMEX or got liquidated on BitMEX, you know. So BitMEX is not that important anymore. And that is good, you know, because BitMEX basically caused the big crash in March, I would say. Anyway, great bounce for the S&P 500, which dipped as well yesterday. Gold making a good recovery. Nasdaq, not really. And a Dixie bump. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 over here. Looking very good. This is the resistance for the S&P, and they retested this trend line. We've been talking about these lines for a very long time already. And let's go take a look at the 4 hours. I mean, this 4 hour looks a little bit toppish, you know, but we really hope to reclaim this level. Go here, retest it there, and go back up. A retest of here, you know, is possible as well. Just no lower lows, because then we break out of this rising flag, I would say. Taking a look at the Dixie. You want the Dixie to go to 0, remember guys. A lot of lines, but still, you know, a lower high for the Dixie. Compared to this high. So still lower high. We do not want them to break this level over here with these stops on it, these stops, and a lot of action on this line. So we want them to stay below this line over here. As long as that is the case, you know, it is good. But however, it is a higher low for Dixie. We want lower lows, new lows. I mean, whoa, not something I like. Taking a look at Bitcoin over here. This is the BitMEX chart. So we have this support over here. We have this one over here. We have these over there, and we're back above them, you know. Also, you know, very, very negative. Probably also because Bitcoin was, I mean, BitMEX was doing maintenance, was down. And, you know, like, obviously, you know, this is the resistance line for Bitcoin right there. Other ones, you know, are basically these, I would say, that area. You can see it as well in the VPVR, you know, there's a volume gap here a little bit. And 53K is the level we need to break right now. Then we get back in. How does it look on a lower time frame? Let's go to the 5 minute. Analyze a little bit the consolidation. Remove everything. So we have the low over here, you know, that over there all the way. And then we see, I mean, this is basically where we are in right now. Those levels and breakout, you know, will visit us these ones or these ones. I don't really like it at the moment. Ethereum on Bitstamp. I mean, Bitcoin, I mean, I would say long it till at least 52, you know, this level over here. I mean, you see a little tap on there as well. I would say, you know, 52, these levels over there should be a good bounce opportunity. Ethereum USD, you know, Ethereum USD goes down as well if Bitcoin goes down. Some supports over here. Big levels of support over here. We touched it. And that is what I'm seeing. I mean, Ethereum BTC is not, Ethereum USD is not looking so great over here. Higher low, higher low, higher low. And we want to make more higher lows. And that is about it. I mean, however, and this is the thing, you know, Ethereum BTC. These are basically the levels where we are in between. After that, you know, we can look for this level. And also this level, I would say. I'm trading Ethereum right now, so have to take a look at the chart. But yeah, this is what I'm seeing for Ethereum BTC. We really wanted to get back above that level. And this is the 5 minutes, you know, on the daily. I mean, whoa, level is still, I mean, we're still extremely high with the big doji over here. And yeah, this is basically resistance right now. Maybe it gets front ran a little bit. We are very high. Some coins, you know, I'm bullish on for the longer term. I think it's time for alt season, a DeFi season. All the DeFi coins, I think this is the level that needs to hold for MTA, USA, or Meta, sorry. It's the same. I mean, this is basically the level, you know, looking at horizontals. And this would be a level to look at. I would say top on it over there, some action on it over here, lining up a little bit with the VPVR. ROOK, really big, nice bottom over here. Of course, you know, yesterday, during all the stuff that was going on, it is wigged down a lot, you know, and bought back up, but I see a really big bottom over here, and you know, DeFi season is coming. DeFi summer. Let me turn off my speakers. YFI could come back for a retest over here in these highs. Already did it last night. But you know, right now it is dying a little bit. I would buy this retest over here. Very hard. Something like this. Got listed on Bybit today. You can trade it now on Bybit, so that is good. SRM. Doing a very good retest over here. Looking a little bit weak, you know. You want it to hold basically that level. Other than that, you know, I see a break of this trend line over here, which I do not like. You know, I want to see 4-hour closes above this one, and then I want to see them break these. AAVE coming down for a retest over here. Gotta take a look at Ethereum real quick, since I am trading that right now. Weird price action. AAVE retesting it over here. The breakout on the 4-hour, still looking good. I mean, I'm just gonna buy a lot of spot alts, DeFi coins, just to chill, trade a bit less leverage, you know, for summer. And this is the level you wanted to hold for Badger. This is the level you want to break for Badger. And this is the level you wanted to hold as well. So levels to hold, level to break. And that is basically about that for Badger. 10 taking a look at CRV, seeing something like this. Let me know how trading for you guys went yesterday. I believe a lot of people got crushed because of it. I hope you didn't. I heard some news from a trading friend of mine who did very well during all the action, and that is something I love to hear. If you want to learn to scalp, I'm selling a course, to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum very much. I always trade those a lot. This is what I'm expecting for SNX, something like that. Very bullish pattern. Take a look at the fundings for Bitcoin. And it's okay, I would have loved to see them more negative, to give us liquidity to the upside. But right now, we're very much correlating with the S&P 500, gold, and you name it. If those moon up, Bitcoin will revisit the highs, I think. What's important now for Bitcoin is making a higher low over here. And Ethereum now as well. And that is about it for today. Guys, if you have any questions, please make sure to ask them in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.